Right, hi. Just been asked to go over and explain why this function here, this expression 1 plus x over 2 plus x, can be rewritten in this form. Okay, this is exercise 1g from exercise, this is question 1g of exercise 2b from the Pure book. So, in order to do this, I'm going to set it up as a long division, which would be 2 plus x into 1 plus x. Now, obviously, this is not the correct way of writing it. We would not write the higher powers second, so I'm going to rewrite it in the correct form. That's x plus 2 into x plus 1. So, matching the powers, the highest powers, I need 1 here. And that means I can now write x plus 2 beneath. Doing that gets me a remainder of 1. So rewriting this gives us 1 minus 1 over x plus 2, which is the same as 1 minus 1 over 2 plus x, which is the original thing that we started with. But this is what we were asked to find, so that's what we've done.